It's time for an update on our 2015 Mustang GT. Got our engine now tuned by Lund Racing after it was rebuilt by Holbrook Racing. Car's running well, and I've been on track a couple times. Here is some footage a few weeks ago at Gingerman Raceway. Gingerman, I did have an issue. It's a problem that I had before with the old motor and only on the racetrack. I have too much oil coming out driver's side, the clean side, and I had this UPR breather tank set up. The tank went from empty to full to overfull and spilled oil all over. For my next track day, which was at Waterford Hills, I tried a different setup. I installed some catch cans. These are by Radium. Radium sells a kit for the 15, but it's these small cans. One sits here and one sits here. I wanted big cans to try and stop all this PCV oil nonsense. I'm back with the Mustang at Waterford Hills Raceway. This is the first time back at Waterford Hills with the rebuilt motor. Pretty crazy 700 horsepower NSX. It was really great to be back at Waterford Hills Raceway. The car ran fantastic and fast. I consistently ran 119 and 118 laps at Waterford Hills, which is a full 2 seconds faster than the car ever ran with the previous motor last summer. No one passed me. Between every session, people came up and wanted to know what the heck was up with this Mustang. One really fun thing at Waterford Hills this last time was running with this red modified STI, who was quite quick. Here's a video of him trying to keep up with me. By the end of a session, this catch can was full and oil was spewing into the air intake, puffing smoke out the back of the car and totally saturating this filter with oil, and there'd be quite a bit of oil down in... Talked to a guy at UPR about the whole oil and the intake issue, and he suggested that I try their high flow PCV. This is the stock PCV that has a valve in it that senses pressure and vents, but their unit is open all the time, but you get to customize it. How much you want it to vent is based on these 4 inserts, and they suggested that since I'm having so much oil coming out the clean side, it may be because not enough pressure can escape the PVC side, so it ends up coming out the wrong side. So I'm gonna install the biggest of the 4 fittings and try this out. I hope to have another video for you guys soon. More coming on that oil in the intake situation. I do have another lead on a fix, and I've ordered a part. So, see you next time.